Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to easily do your single fold locs. It's very easy and fast as well. If you're looking forward to see how I achieve this look, then consider watching this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up on my video and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this, and share it with your friends and family. Firstly, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist all the hair out. You can do twists, you can do braids. I'm going to braid the under and just twist the rest. That way it's going to be easier when she wanna take it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist everything like this. You can see she have a very thick hair, so we are not going to be making it too small. That way it's not going to be too full on her hair. I'm just going to do the normal size. So for the shape and sizes, it all depends on you and your client, the way you want it. My client didn't want her hair to be like super full. She wanted her hair just be like okay. She didn't want too much, so I'm going to be cutting, dividing the hair just the size that she wants. So after I'm done braiding all the hair, now I'm gonna move ahead to start crocheting it. So when you take your full locks, you normally crochet the same way you crochet on a cornrow and pull it out, and now you just measure the length of the hair and put your crochet needle inside the locks and just go all the way underneath it and pull in her own natural hair. That's how we're going to be doing everything, guys. It's so simple and effortless. Like I said, it's very easy. Just put crochet the hair, put your hook inside the four locks and go under and pull her own natural hair inside, and that's it. So just watch me as I go along, guys. You're going to see how I'm doing it. We are going to be using 3 colors to achieve this look. She wanted her hair colorful, so that's how we're going to be doing it. Like I said, just put the hook inside and go underneath and pull her own natural inside the locks, and that's it. that is the last one, guys. So after we're done, it will looking so nice and natural and light as well on our hair. Is very good, a very good protective style for people that love to protect their natural hair. This is a very good look for you, and I know you love it the way I do, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you're going to see every new video that I drop on my channel. And as you already know, share it with your friends and family. That way everyone can benefit from this video and on my channel. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.